AI is becoming an increasingly important tool for businesses and organizations of all sizes. From automating repetitive tasks to improving decision-making, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we work. In this video, we'll be discussing 7 reasons why you should consider incorporating AI into your operations. From increased efficiency to cost savings, these benefits are sure to help you stay competitive in today's digital economy. So, let's dive in and explore the power of AI. Number 1. Increased efficiency. AI can automate repetitive tasks and make processes more efficient, freeing up time for more important tasks. Number 2. Improved accuracy. AI algorithms can be trained to perform tasks with a high degree of accuracy, reducing the likelihood of errors. Number 3. Better decision-making. AI can analyze large amounts of data and identify patterns, helping to make more informed decisions. Number 4. Cost savings. By automating tasks and reducing errors, AI can help to lower costs and increase profitability. Number 5. Personalization. AI can be used to personalize products and services to better meet the needs of individual customers. Number 6. Predictive maintenance. AI can be used to predict when equipment will need maintenance, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. Number 7. Enhanced customer experience. AI can be used to improve customer service, for example by providing real-time assistance to customers through chatbots. In conclusion, the use of AI in the workplace has the potential to bring numerous benefits to businesses and organizations. From increasing efficiency and accuracy, to improving decision-making and personalization, the advantages of AI are clear. Additionally, AI can also help to lower costs, predict maintenance, and enhance the customer experience. As technology continues to advance, incorporating AI into your operations will become increasingly important for staying competitive in today's digital economy. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights on why to consider using AI in your work. Thank you for watching.